Hawks, it's Mrs. Ferguson in the Career Center, and today I'm going to show you how to check on the date that your transcripts were mailed to your college. You can actually do it right inside Naviance Student. I'll show you that in a moment, but first a quick note about transcripts. Remember that you must fill out a transcript request form for every college that you want to have your transcript sent. And it must be given to your counselor at least 3 school weeks ahead of that college's deadline. If you want to give it to your counselor more in advance than that, I'm sure they would welcome that as well. So let's show you how to get into Naviance Student. First, we're going to go into Blackboard, and you're going to log into Blackboard. When you get to the inside of Blackboard, you'll see a little logo down here that says Naviance Student. If you click on that, it takes you to the main Naviance page. From here, you'll click on Colleges, Apply to College, and Manage Transcripts. When you do that, you'll notice that you can see a list of all of the colleges that Mrs. Young has sent your transcript to. You can also see the date that it was mailed. If you have any questions, or if a college is telling you that they have not received your transcript and it has been mailed several weeks ago, then it is okay to check in with us, and we are always happy to resend it. If we have just mailed it within a week or so, just be aware that it takes the colleges a little while for your transcript to be processed and added to your account page. So especially during times around deadlines, you have to be a little bit patient. But certainly we are happy to resend it if it has been a while and the college is still saying that they don't have it, because sometimes things can get misfiled when they get to the admissions office. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, your counselor, or Mrs. Young, our transcript assistant in the main office.